it's Teacher Victor, and this is our cooking class. And today I have a delicious snack for you, and it's also very fast to make. It's sandwich. Do you like sandwich? So let's go. Okay, now let's check the ingredients. All you need is sliced bread, ketchup, mayonnaise, cheese and ham, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Now let's make our sandwich. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, before we cook, don't forget to wash your hands. It's really important. Now let's go. First, you take 2 slices of bread. Put on a plate. Then you take the mayonnaise with the spoon and you spread it. I love mayonnaise. You can do this into both slices of bread, okay? Don't forget to spread it in the other bread, okay? Because we are making 2 sandwiches. I love mayonnaise. After that, let's start with the ham sandwich, okay? We have the bread with the mayonnaise, and we take 2 slices of ham, and you put it on the bread. If you really like ham, you can put more. 3, 4, 5, 6 slices of ham. I like too much, and I'm gonna put 3 of them. Now, we put the lettuce, the tomato, and the onions. If you don't like any of these ingredients, there's no problem. But I really love lettuce and tomatoes and onions. So I'm gonna put all of them in here, okay? Look how beautiful it is. You put a slice of tomato and a slice of onion. And you finish with ketchup. Great. And here we have our ham sandwich. Now, let's make the second one, the cheese sandwich. The same thing. We put the cheese, 3 slices of cheese, lettuce. Don't forget, if you don't like lettuce, you don't need to put it, okay? Tomatoes and onions, and finish with ketchup. And you close it. Right now, you have to ask for help for your mom and your dad, because we are using a knife to cut the sandwich. Don't do this alone, okay? It's dangerous. So, let's cut it. That's all. It was really fast. We have here 2 sandwiches. A cheese sandwich and a ham sandwich. Which one do you prefer? I'm gonna try the cheese sandwich. Let's see. Wow, it's really good, guys. You have to make it at home. Now, that's all for today. Bye-bye. See you next class.